This morning I'm back at the church. I'm back at the church this morning because, gotta get busy. Can't let a day slip by. Got a lot to do. I'm getting ready to move the water heater back around there. And of course, this little fridge will be getting out, and then this popcorn machine thing here. Go ahead and get these three things moved. These are fairly hefty items, but I'm going to get it knocked out. And then I have a few other odds and ends in this main hallway entrance that I'm going to be taking care of. My goal is to this morning, hopefully this morning, I'll be having most of this in this main hallway pretty much cleared out the way I need it to be, and cleaned up too. Vacuumed with the shop vac, wiped up anything that needs wiped up, stuff like that. So I've got to make a little room back here, and I've got to get a few things going. But let me show you what I'm going to do. Let me get this off the tripod here. And again, just as a reminder, I'm using this little camera right here on the face of my cell phone versus the one on the back, because this one tends to use much less storage space, I guess you could say, because my phone has been having storage space issues. Okay, I'll just show you what I got going on here. This is where the stairs go up, and then around here is where I'm going to put the water heater. That little fridge is going to, whenever I unplug that little, when I unplug that little fridge, I got to take it outside, and because it's got a bunch of ice in it. So I think there's water bottles in that thing too, but I'm gonna have to do some cleaning on that little fridge. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put it, but I probably ought to plug it back in when I get done and set it somewhere. Let me see here. This thing's been sitting here a long time. Ew. Oh, look at that. Wow. Looks like an ice cocoon. Weird. No ice anywhere else. It's all just stuck right there. It's almost solid. Oh, it's a solid piece of ice there. Got some olives. And the top's all frozen in there. Jeez. Okay. Well, anyway, this thing's filthy. Definitely needs defrosted. All right. There's some trucks going by. Let me take a peek. Whew. Yeah, we had some rain yesterday. That's a food service truck again. Anyway. Yeah, food service truck, I think, makes its rounds through here every day. Shut that door. I shut this door, it helps keep bugs out. All right. Different day, different t-shirt. All right, I'm gonna have to haul some stuff up the stairs, and then I'm gonna have to get busy on this big room down here. All right, let me get busy. Talk to you later. All right. As you can tell, I got the water heater moved. I had to do some rearranging and some cleaning. So these are trash bags. I'm getting ready to take those out. I did some more vacuuming. I did some rearranging up in here so that I can have space to get the water heater. I used my shop vac to do some vacuuming, It was really a big mess. And anyway, I got the water heater there. This toilet is just sitting there. That's not where the bathroom is. That's just an extra toilet that's not hooked up. Oh, sorry. Anyway, I've got just a bunch of stuff going on, and opened up the back door. And as soon as I did that, a cloud of mosquitoes came in and started harassing me. And they're not harassing me so much anymore. I guess they got their fill. Those boxes out there are just old, yucky boxes. Most of them I got from upstairs in that room I call the office room. This is like one of the back doors. And got some moss growing in here, so I'll need to spray this with bleach, just bleach water, let it sit and kill that off. And then I'll be cleaning up later, I don't know exactly when, maybe tomorrow, coming down here with some cutters and trimmers, cutting back all these trees right here, knocking these things back so that I can have my path through there to do some moving stuff. Because I've got, anyway, right there is where the maxima is and the airstream. So I have to have a clear path through here. I got to take that big tree down and all that, clean it up really good, move these rocks where the kids had a little bonfire one day, really close to my building. Anyway, wish me luck. Wish me luck on getting all this done. I've got some popcorn machines to move too, and after I do that, I'll kind of show you. Well, I'll give you a before and after view. Anyway, this is some of my popcorn things here that have been left over from a long time back. But anyway, got to get these things moved. Got to get some rearranging done. Up in there, you can see the tops of popcorn machines, those red things, and those all back in here. I get all those things out of here. It's really going to open this up because they're all the way up to right here. That's the top of some. So most of what's in here is popcorn machines. But we'll get this taken care of. I'm going to get these things moved out, figure out what I'm going to do with them. They'll probably end up just sitting out there for a while. The wood, some of these have wood tops, so I'll take the wood tops off and set them aside. I don't want them to be in the rain and get yucked up. But anything that's just metal and glass, I will set out there. Rain won't bother it until I can figure out what else to do with it. But hey, things are changing. Things are coming on. And I think by the end of the day, I'm going to have a major good chunk of all this done. If not tomorrow, but my goal is to have a big chunk of this done today, because this coming Monday, I'm going to have use of a U-Haul truck. So once I've got use of a U-Haul truck and we get some things moved from the other building over to the house, then if we're not all just totally worn out by the time we get that done, then I'll be moving some stuff over here. And that's part of my goal, is to be able to move some things into here, have this cleaned up for it, move some things into here. I've got an air conditioner I'm going to be putting in. Hopefully it'll help keep this place a little less humid and a little less hot. I got some work to do on the windows and that door back there. But once I do that and I get this all taken care of, then get all moved out of the other building and into this building and stuff moved to the house, Then I'm going to have a major project of doing some work to this place here. Got a lot to do. Stick with me, you'll be able to see some of my projects.